Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a live stream on your Wix website. So first head over to your Wix editor page. Then next in the left panel, click on the add button or add elements icon. Then next is click on embed code. Then from here, under the video section, click on single video players. Then next from here, choose where the live stream will be coming from. So it could be a video upload or it could be a live stream from YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, or Dailymotion. So in our example, we're going to pick YouTube. So click on YouTube and it will be added to this page. So from here, we're going to change the video that is in this template. Just click on the change video button. Then we're going to need to add in the video or live streams web address. Now head over to YouTube since this is where we're going to take the live stream. And say for example, we're going to take this one, this music live stream. So click on the video. Next is just copy the link or URL. Then head back to Wix. So we're going to replace this link with our newly copied link and paste it here. Then next is scroll down and here you have an option for playback. So this live stream can play automatically. All you have to do is enable autoplays on. So this makes the video autoplay on mute and visitors can switch the sound on. And you can also play this live stream in loop by enabling this setting. Lastly, you can also add a video description so you can just say that this is a live stream or whatever you prefer. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!